In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a course on Skool. Whether you're looking to access important resources offline or simply want the convenience of having course materials readily available, it's essential to understand the options Skool provides for downloading. Now, it's important to note that what you can download largely depends on the permissions set by the course creator. Some creators offer a variety of resources that can be downloaded, such as PDFs, zip files, worksheets, or templates. So, let's dive in and explore how you can access these materials. First things first, you'll need to sign into your Skool account. Ensure you're using your correct username and password to avoid any login hiccups. Once you're in, the next step is to open the community that hosts the course you're interested in. This is crucial because Skool organizes courses within specific communities. Once you've navigated to the right community, you'll find something called Classroom, which is where all the course content is typically housed. Click on Classroom, and this is where the fun begins. You'll see a list of lessons or modules. Select the lesson that you're interested in downloading resources from. Once you've opened a lesson, you should be on the lookout for any attached files. Depending on how the course is structured, these files could be located directly below the lesson content, or may be tucked into a designated Resources section. This part can vary, so it's worth taking a bit of time to familiarize yourself with the layout of each course once you're in. If the course creator has indeed attached downloadable resources, you'll spot a download button next to each available file. It might look like a small downward arrow, or simply the word download. Clicking on this button will begin the download process, saving the file directly onto your device. Whether it's your laptop, tablet, or phone, ensure you know where downloads are saved so you can easily retrieve them later. Lastly, remember that not every course will have materials available for download. This absence isn't an oversight, but rather a decision by the course creator to control how their content is accessed and shared. If you find yourself unable to download resources, it might be worth reaching out to the community or the course creator for further clarification or to express interest in having those resources made available. That's pretty much it. You're now equipped with all the know-how you need to download courses and make the most out of your Skool learning experience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other guides to enhance your online learning journey.